Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. On this video I'll be sharing with you how to make coconut chapatis at home, and these are multi-layered coconut chapatis. Guys, I already showed you how you can make coconut milk at home, so please catch that video and then we're going to use that coconut milk to make chapatis. Now I got a lot of coconut milk from the I showed guys in that video, so just take half the amount and then add salt and sugar, and to that you're just going to add all-purpose flour and start kneading to make a dough. And guys, coconut contains a lot of oil, so when I was making these chapatis I was careful not to add too much oil to the dough. And for the dough, just knead as much as you can to make sure that you get a perfect dough and to make sure that the dough is soft. And the more you knead, the more you activate the gluten and the softer the chapatis will be. And guys, I also mentioned that I'm going to be making coconut beans using the coconut milk because it was a lot, and that video is going to go up after this one, so be sure to watch that one as well and also support my channel. So the more you knead the chapatis, like you see here, the more the better the chapatis are going to be. And I noticed that when I was kneading with the coconut milk, the dough was not sticky at all. So like you see, the dough was almost ready at this point, and I set it aside for 30 minutes. And now here was 30 minutes later. Just roll it out like you can see here, and we are going to make the layers differently. This is another method of making layers. It's not the one that I am used to showing you guys over here. So you're just going to roll everything out like you see, and then you're going to cut the dough the way I'm showing here. You can even cut it into thinner pieces, into bigger pieces. Now guys, it depends on what you like. So you're just going to do that and then pour a small amount of flour on top of the dough after rolling it out, and then you're going to roll it like you see me doing on the video. It is straightforward, very easy, and you can see the layers they look so good. These are multi-layered chapatis. That is why I used this method, and you can make them small, you can make them big like you see here. And like you can see, mine, some were big, some were small. I just wanted to demonstrate that depending on what you're looking for, you can play around with your dough. Now these are the dough balls like you see here, and here is a small tip. If you want to always have your chapatis round, just take your ball, pour enough flour on it, and then when you are rolling, do not turn it upside down, like do not turn to the other side. You can move it sides when you are rolling, but be sure that you are rolling it on one side like you see me demonstrating here. And you're going to notice that your chapatis will always be round. They will not have any corners. They will be round and perfect. And guys, the flavor in coconut chapatis is out of this world. Please try this recipe and you're going to tell me how it goes. I really loved it. Like you can see, the chapatis are a perfect round shape, and like the normal way how we fry our chapatis, just place it on a very hot pan on high flame, and then you are going to remove them before they cook, after they turn whitish like you can see. And this is how all the chapatis look like, and I find it easier to now fry them when they look like this. You're just going to use you're just going to use cooking fat as opposed to cooking oil to fry the chapatis at this point. And guys, just look at that. The chapatis were so good, so perfect, like you're going to see at the end of this video. Just make sure that your heat is on high and keep turning the sides. And if the chapatis are too hot, you can place another chapatis on top of the one that you're frying, or you can even use a serviette to roll it like you see me doing here, and it will be okay. Guys, I have done so many videos how to cook chapatis, different types. I have done carrot chapatis, I have done ghee chapatis, milk chapatis, brown chapatis. Please watch those videos if you'd like to learn more about chapati making. And this is the final look, guys. Just look at that. And I'm just going to take one of the chapatis just to demonstrate to you how multi-layered they were and how soft they were. Guys, just look at that. These chapatis were so soft and so delicious. Thank you for watching.